Good morning from Graham Family Farm. There's a puppy again, dragging around sticks. Anyway, it's about 9:30 on a Saturday morning. I think it was 39 degrees or so. So far, it's a pretty nice day. Hopefully, it warms up even more. Well, it's about 1 o'clock now, and it's about 43 degrees, and it's snowing again. I was hoping for better weather. It was nice this morning. Not so much now. It is cold. Ooh, that wind is cold. Yeah, so I gotta get this trailer out of the way. Doc used it the other day. Dropped it here in the middle of the lane. We got a friend coming over to look to see if he wants his motorhome or not. Just gotta go. They're waiting for me. I'm early today. I got the chickens fed. They gave me 11 eggs. Some of these might have been from last night after I checked them, or yesterday. But 11 eggs, that's not bad. If those neighbor chickens still try to get in the coop, they're walking back and forth. Well, I did a count, and these 3 are my chickens. I noticed I was missing the leghorns in there. Normally the neighbor's chickens come over and visit. I was assuming it was his, but I found it was mine, and there's a hole right here is where they got out. Not that they're going to go back in that hole. As you can see, I got the Blue Star. They're really friendly chickens. Those leghorns, I'm going to have a hard time with them. Oh, good chicken. Well, one of the leghorns went back under the fence. And so I was able to catch this one. Yeah, got everyone fed. Got the chickens put back in there. We're gonna head up to the goats. Well, we're trying to wean these babies off the bottle, and so they're not happy about that. But they are eating, and they are now drinking the actual water without being in the bottle. So that's a good thing. Anyway, I want to thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.